Let me write it like this: BODMAS. So yes, B stands for bracket. Bracket, order or of. This is division. Division. Multiplication. Addition. Subtraction. Okay, so you already know division, you know how to do multiplication, you know how to do addition, you know how to do subtraction. But why you have to learn? So if the question is given in terms of combination, as I have told you, if the question is like this: 15 minus 6 plus 3 into 2 divided by 2. So what will be the answer of this? This is a combination of all the operation. So here BODMAS rule will explain about the priority. When a question is given to you, if there is a bracket in the question, if there is a bracket, first you have to solve the numbers which is in the bracket. First priority should be given to the bracket. First you have to solve bracket. If bracket is not there, then go to the next. If you finish bracket, check if there are any other numbers remaining. Then check depending upon the priority. If bracket is over, next you have to go for division. If division is not given, check for multiplication. If multiplication number is given, solve it. If it is not given, then you have to go for addition. If it is not given, then subtraction. If it is given, you have to go in this order. First you have to solve the problems which is in the bracket. After solving it, you have to solve division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. 12 plus 39 minus 6. First we will do the simplest form. First we will do the easiest one. Okay? Now, what you have to do according to the BODMAS rule, first we have to check. Bracket is not there. Next check for division, division is not there. Next multiplication is not there. You have addition. First you have to solve addition. First you have to solve addition. So what is 12 plus 39? 12 plus 39. Yes, 59. Sorry, 51. 51. 12 plus 39 is 51. Now this is minus 6. What is 51 minus 6? 45. So 45 is your answer. First, you have to check for the bracket. So here you can see there is a bracket. We have to solve bracket. 12 plus 39. In the bracket you have addition. So what is 5 plus 2? 7. See, whenever the bracket is given, there will be no symbol. Whenever the bracket is given, no symbol, which means it is multiplication. No symbol here, which means multiplication. Okay? So this is 5 plus 2 is 7 minus 3. Listen here. 5 plus 2 is 7. You have solved the bracket. But there is no symbol in between. So whenever the bracket is given, the before number, see this after number without symbol will be multiplication. Okay? Before number or after number will be multiplication if there is no symbol is given. Okay? So that is why 5 plus 2 is 7. It becomes multiplication. Now you can check. Bracket is over. Next division is not there. Next multiplication is present. First you have to solve multiplication. So this is 12 plus 39 into 7 is 357. Wrong. What is 39 into 7? 39, huh? Ah. What is 9 sevens? 9 sevens? 9 sevens? 63. 9 sevens are 63. 7 threes are 21. 21 plus 6 is? What is 9 sevens? 9 sevens are 63. 6 is the carry. 7 threes are 21 plus 6? 27. Minus 3. Multiplication is over. Okay? Now bracket is not present, division is not there, multiplication is not there. You have addition. So 12 plus 273 is? 12 plus 273 is? 273, 285. So this is 285 minus 3. Okay? 285 minus 3 is 282. 282 is your answer. Okay, first you have to solve the bracket. It is multiplication. Okay? So this is 7 by 2 plus 9 by 4. Since I am solving bracket, this is multiplication. 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. This is 1 by 4. Next I have to solve multiplication. 9 ones are 9, 4 fours are 16. As usual, take the LCM. LCM is 16. So I'll convert this 7 by 2. That will become 8 by 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 sevens are? So 8 sevens are 56. So this is equal to 56 by 16 plus 9 by 16. This is 16. 56 plus 9. What is 56 plus 9? 65 by 16.